Hello, students.
Hello,
Good morning.
sir.
How are you today? How are you
I'm
today?
fine, thank you. How about you, teacher?
Yeah, fine too. Nice to meet you again in this class. Before we start
Nice.
our class, let us pray first. Uh, let us pray. Okay. Next, we check your attendance. The first, Redentus Alex Jata,
I'm here, sir.
Hera Maulidia,
Present, sir.
Eka Nila Krishna,
Yes, sir.
Suleman Detan,
Me-
Delvina Quago.
I am here, sir.
Okay, good. Eka Dwi.
Present, sir.
Okay, Maxi Misa. Are you there?
Present, sir. Yes, I am here.
Suleman Detan.
Present, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, students. For today, we are going to learn about procedure text. Have you ever cooked something or operate something?
Yes, sure.
Yes, of
Yes.
Oh,
course.
good.
Yes, sir.
Let us. Have you ever heard about procedure text?
Not yet, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Alex, can you say something about procedure text? What is procedure text?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know about procedure text, but I know how to operate something like seperti yang Pak Guru bilang mengoperasikan sesuatu, misalnya mengoperasikan HP, handphone, atau komputer.
Yes.
Definisinya saya belum tahu, Pak.
Oke. Mungkin ada yang tahu? Oke. Yes.
I don't know, sir. I know how to cook only.
Oke. Our learning objective today is how to identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature of procedure text. So let's see the one example of procedure text about how to make a cupcake. Can you see in your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is how to make a cupcake. Maxi, do you know cupcake? Hello, Maxi?
I know, sir. I know.
Do you know cupcake?
Yes, I know. I like
it,
cupcake.
sir.
Cupcake.
Okay, good.
I don't know, sir.
Cupcake in Indonesia, do you know Maxi?
Kue, Pak.
Kue mangkok.
Kue
Yeah,
What's
kue
that?
mangkok. Yeah, good.
Oh, pernah, Pak. Pernah makan, Pak.
Sir, bukan
Ya.
kue gelas,
makan Pak saya.
bukan
Kue mangkok.
kue cangkir.
Kalau bahasa yang biasa dipakai ya kue mangkok, Bu.
Oh, kue mangkok ya, Pak.
Kue
ada
mangkok ya.
Ada
Saya kira kue
warna
lahir.
hijau, Pak, biasanya.
Okay, good. Let us see generic structure of procedure text. There are three parts of procedure text. The first one is or aim. Goal or aim. It contains an introductory statement or title that gives the aim or goal of the procedure. Jadi, goal atau aim itu adalah judul dari sebuah teks prosedur yang menunjukkan tujuan dari sebuah proses atau sebuah prosedur itu sendiri. And the next one is ingredients. Ingredients consist of materials needed. Jadi di dalam itu bahan-bahan yang dibutuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu. Kita bisa lihat di teks itu, kalau goal atau aim-nya itu how to make a cupcake, and ingredients itu there are butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, food coloring, and colored sweets. Oke, butter itu mentega, sugar itu gula pasir. X itu apa Pak Makri? Oh sorry, Ibu Delvina.
Telur, Pak.
Oh, telur.
Apa Pak?
Egg itu telur, Pak.
Ada rekomendasi katanya.
Telur ayam Pak, telur ayam.
Teleponan aja.
Telur.
Oke.
Ada rapat, Pak.
Itu
Ekstrak vanila. Flour. Aryani, flour itu apa?
Floor. Lantai, bukan Pak. Floor.
Lantai. Kayaknya lantai.
Tepung, Pak.
Oh, kalau lantai itu floor.
Oh.
Ya, FLOOR.
Oh, agak mirip-mirip bunga juga, Pak. Flower.
Oh ya ya. Kemudian the third part is steps or methods. Jadi langkah-langkah atau tahap-tahap membuat sesuatu. Di situ kita membuat a cupcake. There are 7 steps. The first one, mix the sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla. The second, add the flour and mix. The third, spoon the mixture into cupcake and bake in the oven. The fourth, take the cake out and let it cool. The fifth, mix the sugar, butter, and food coloring. Sixth, cover the cupcake with the de-icing. And the last step is sprinkle some sweet on it. Nah, itu contoh dari sebuah text prosedur how to make a cupcake. Jadi procedure text have 3 parts. The first one, goal or aim, atau judul dari prosedur itu sendiri. The second is ingredients, the material needed, bahan-bahan atau alat yang dibutuhkan. Kemudian the third is steps or methods, atau langkah-langkah atau proses membuat sesuatu. Next, how about language feature of procedure text? Procedure text dalam sebuah teks prosedur, dia menggunakan yang pertama action verbs. Kita bisa lihat di contoh. You can see in the text. It uses mix, Mix. Tahu mix anak-anak?
Campur,
Tidak
Pak.
tahu, Pak.
Tahu Pak, tahu.
Campur, Pak.
Oh, campur ya.
Campurkan.
Oh,
Mixer Pak.
campurkan.
Aduk. Aduk.
Aduk. Kemudian add.
Oh, aduk.
Iya.
Add itu menambahkan. Kalau spoon,
Spoon
Spoon
itu
itu
tempat untuk
Alex?
tidur, Pak.
oh
Spoon.
itu spoon, Pak.
Senduk, Pak.
Oh, spoon.
Spoon, ya. Spoon.
Senduk kali, Pak.
As a noun, senduk, but
Oh, ya.
as a
Sendok, Pak.
verb, menyenduk ya.
Oh, menyenduk.
Oke. Take out, make, cover and sprinkle. Kemudian language feature yang kedua, adverbial of sequence. Itu contohnya first, second. Di dalam teks itu hanya satu ya, di situ first. Di langkah pertama. Kemudian yang ketiga, adverbial of time. Itu biasanya next, after that, then, finally. For this text only one ya, finally. Di langkah ketujuh, finally sprinkle some sweets on it. Maybe do you have any question about this?
No, sir.
Solution. No, sir.
No.
No?
sir.
Okay, so for the next, let us watch a video, and after that, we identify the generic structure, language feature, and the social function of the text.
Why it's recast?
Good? Procedure, maaf.
Boleh full screen Pak Guru.
Hello guys, my name is
Ya Pak.
My name is Mandi.
We will learn how to make slide text. Frying pan.
Spatula.
Spoon. Ingredient: 1 fat of white rice, 2 eggs, spoon of salt, 2 cloves of your nails, 1 clove of garlic, chili, cooking oil, and then complementary material. Step by step. Prefer a frying pan and for a cooking oil according to your taste. Heat the frying pan by using a medium flame. Cooking oil is hot. Put garlic, onion, and chili. Until ripe and fragrant. Use stir until absolutely cooked. Put eggs and scramble until cooked. Put white rice and stir until mixed with all ingredients. And soft until all the material are blended. After everything on the frying pan, once the fragrant, serve into the flame. Decorate with the sliced tomatoes and other complementary material as you like to make your fries look interesting. Your interesting fried rice is ready to eat.
Okay. After watching the video, let us identify the generic structure and the social function of the text. Okay, the first one, the generic structure. The first is goal or aim. Kira-kira goal atau aim dari teks tadi itu apa?
Making fried rice.
How to make, Pak?
How to make apa? Ibu Ani? Sorry, Ani.
Nasi goreng itu apa,
Fried rice.
Ya, good.
Rice.
Right,
Get
yeah.
rice. Jadi,
Fried rice.
how to make
Nasi goreng.
rice ya.
Nasi. Ya.
Kemudian yang kedua, ingredients, bahan-bahannya.
Nasi, rice,
Nasi.
Ya.
Rice.
Rice,
Eggs.
chili,
chili, onion,
Garlic.
garlic,
Salt.
Cooking,
salt, and
cooking oil.
cooking oil ya.
Oil.
Ada
Jadi ada-
racik dulu tadi.
Tidak ada pitching
ya.
ya, Pak.
Itu disebut complementary material. Kalau tadi dalam teks, kalau Anda lihat, yang pertama rice, eggs, salt, onion, garlic, chili, cooking oil, and complementary materials. Okay, good. Next, steps or methods. Langkah-langkah membuat fried rice. Tadi itu apa saja? Yang pertama,
masukkan bawangnya, Pak.
yang pertama tadi, ya,
Persiapkan
Masukkan minyak Pak ke dalam.
Masukkan minyak baru bawang Pak, bukan bawang baru.
Oh iya ya.
Pak, oil.
bukan kompornya dulu,
ya,
Pak.
good. Jadi prepare frying pan and pour the cooking oil. Jadi kita siapkan wajahnya, lalu masukkan minyak goreng. Itu langkah pertama. Yang kedua,
Mister, may I go to the restroom, please?
oke. The next step is, ada yang tahu? Setelah memanaskan wajan dan memasukkan minyak,
Onion.
Aduh,
Ya.
lupa tadi.
Put onion,
ya, put the garlic
some onion,
and onion. Masukkan bawang dan chili ya tadi. Ya.
Dan
The third step is stir all material until fragrant. Jadi setelah dimasukkan, diaduk sampai matang.
Fregnan itu apa, Bapak? Fregnan kah?
bukan hamil tuh, Pak.
Harum, fragrant,
right.
harum.
Oh iya, ya harum Pak.
Oke.
Lanjut Pak.
The next steps, yang berikutnya mungkin ada yang tahu?
Masukkan nasinya.
Masukkan nasinya Pak.
Nasinya, Pak Guru.
Ke
Sebelum,
wali.
before we put rice.
Oh, telur ayam, Pak Guru.
Yes, good. Good, Delvina. We put eggs and scramble until cooked. Jadi telurnya lebih dulu, Maksi.
Oh ya Pak.
Kita masukkan telurnya.
Saya pikir telur matang dulu baru.
Ya, kita matangkan telurnya dulu, goreng telurnya dulu. And next step, put rice and stir until mix. Kita masukkan nasinya, kemudian kita aduk sampai tercampur. And next steps, berat. Masukkan nasinya, Pak. Jadi masukkan nasinya.
Sambal botol,
Oh ya sudah.
sambal tomat, Pak.
Bola balik
Dicampur,
sampai
Pak.
dia tercampur.
Ya,
Bola
good.
balik dia tercampur.
Bapak kalau bolak-balik itu bahasa Inggris apa Bapak bolak-balik?
Steer.
Oh, steer. Oh,
Steer. Ya.
Oh,
Kayak kita
setir
mengemudi mobil ya, kita steer. Ya. And the next steps. Langkah yang berikut.
Diangkat. Dipindahkan ke mangkok, Pak.
Ya, yes. After cook,
ke piring.
good. After cook, serve in
Serve
a plate.
in
A plate.
the plate.
And last step, ada satu tadi yang langkah terakhir. Itu mereka buat apa tadi?
Hidangkan
Menambahkan
meja.
sayuran, Pak.
Ya,
Bahan tambahan.
mendekorasi, menghias.
Oh iya.
Ya, decorate.
Dengan salad tadi ya, Pak ya, Pak Guru ya.
Ya, dengan tomat dan sawi. Salad ya.
Sawi. Selada.
Oke, selada. Oke, good. Oke. And what is the social function of the text?
To tell people how to fry rice.
Ya, good.
Maksud
Ya. To describe atau to tell how to make fried rice.
Fried rice.
to tell how to make
Fried rice.
fried rice. Ya.
Right.
Okay, good. Okay, for the last, I will stress again about our material today, about procedure text. The generic structure is, it has 3 parts: goal, ingredients or materials, and steps or methods. And the social function is to tell how to make, how to use, or how to operate something. And language literature it uses action verb, adverbial of sequence, and adverbial of time. Okay, I think that is all for today. You can check the worksheet I will share in WAG. Anda bisa mengerjakan soal yang saya akan kirimkan di WAG kita. Kemudian dikumpulkan kembali melalui WAG. Okay, that's all for today and see you in next meeting.